This is a 6 months review on this iPhone XR I purchased from BackMarket. When I initially purchased this phone 6 months ago, I did an in-depth review of BackMarket. I will put a link to that video on the screen. When you purchase an item from BackMarket, you have the option to select fair, good, or excellent condition. When I purchased this phone, I selected excellent condition. When I received this phone, there was no cracks or scratches on the screen. There was also no cracks or scratches on the back of the phone. However, there was some minor scratches on the bezel of the phone. I have been using this phone for 6 months and had absolutely no problems. What I'm going to do now is answer some of the common questions I received when I initially made the BackMarket review video 6 months ago. Does BackMarket ship to my country? Based on the information on BackMarket's website, BackMarket is currently available in 14 European countries and in the US, excluding Hawaii, Alaska, and Puerto Rico. For delivery in Europe, you have to order directly through the country's website. How long did it take to receive the phone? I received the phone within 5 business days, and it came signature required, meaning someone has to be there to sign for the delivery. I ordered a second phone and also received the phone within 5 business days. However, that phone did not come signature required. I did some additional research, and what I have found is whether or not an item is shipped signature required is solely dependent on the seller. So if that's something that you are concerned about, you would need to check with the seller directly. I have since purchased some additional items from BackMarket. I purchased an iPhone 12, an Apple Watch. I did have to cancel the order because I messed up on the shipping address, but I then reordered the Apple Watch. I also purchased some AirPods. All of the items I purchased from BackMarket worked without a problem. However, since you are purchasing items that are refurbished, I would strongly recommend that you look over the item upon receiving it. This way, if there's any problem, you can take advantage of the BackMarket's return policy. BackMarket also has an app, and within the app, there is a diagnostic tool that would allow you to check different aspects of the phone to make sure that they are in working order. This video is not sponsored by BackMarket. This is just my experience with BackMarket. If you want to give BackMarket a try, I will leave a coupon code in the description that will allow you to get $10 off your first order. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I hope this video was helpful. And if this is your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.